The top 3 things to do in Amersfoort in the Netherlands.
Good morning and welcome to another Malta Network Resources video.
You can visit the Dierenpark, which is a zoo in Amersfoort. You can visit the old city centre. It's a medieval centre and you can find a lot of cafes and restaurants there. You can do a bit of shopping from C&A or other shops and also go up this old tower.
Go on watching videos on the left or on the right. In the meantime, I remind you to subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell to see updates, to receive the updates, and press like to show to YouTube that this is a good video, you like it, and perhaps in that case YouTube will recommend others to watch this video too. So it will help me out a lot if you do that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye from Malta Network Resources in Amersfoort.